The Sold Store, leveraging content marketing for SEO success. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring success story of The Sold Store, a brand that has mastered the art of leveraging content marketing for SEO success. From quirky pop culture merchandise to dominating search engine rankings, The Sold Store's journey offers valuable lessons for businesses aiming to boost their online presence. Let's break it all down. Introduction. Founded in 2013, The Sold Store is India's largest platform for official licensed merchandise, offering products inspired by pop culture, including Marvel, Harry Potter, and sports teams like IPL franchises. While the brand started as an online store, it has since expanded into physical retail spaces. However, its digital-first approach has been pivotal to its growth. By leveraging content marketing as a core strategy for SEO, The Sold Store achieved exponential growth in organic traffic and sales. In this video, we'll explore how The Sold Store used content marketing to drive SEO success, the tools they employed, and actionable insights you can apply to your own business. The challenges. Before implementing their content marketing strategy, The Sold Store faced several challenges. 1. Intense competition. Competing with established e-commerce giants required a unique approach to stand out. 2. Low non-brand visibility. Most of their search traffic came from branded keywords like The Sold Store t-shirts, limiting their reach to new audiences. 3. Content gaps. Their website lacked optimized content targeting non-branded keywords such as quirky t-shirts or Marvel merchandise India. 4. Customer retention. Retaining customers in a highly competitive market was a constant challenge. The strategy. To overcome these challenges, The Sold Store implemented a comprehensive content marketing strategy focused on boosting SEO performance. Here's how they did it. 1. Niche content creation. Focused on creating content that resonated with their audience's love for pop culture. Published blogs and guides around trending topics like Top Marvel merchandise every fan needs or How to style quirky t-shirts. 2. Keyword optimization. Conducted in-depth keyword research to identify high-value non-branded keywords. Optimized product pages and blog posts with relevant keywords while maintaining a conversational tone. 3. Social media amplification. Shared engaging content on Instagram and Facebook to drive traffic back to their website. Used memes, fan art, and behind-the-scenes content to connect with their audience on an emotional level. 4. Leveraging trends. Quickly launched merchandise tied to trending events like new Marvel movie releases or IPL seasons. Created timely blog posts and social media campaigns around these trends. 5. Influencer collaborations. Partnered with influencers who aligned with their brand values to promote products organically. Focused on micro-influencers with niche audiences for higher engagement rates. 6. Technical SEO improvements. Resolved duplicate meta tags and page titles. Improved site speed and mobile usability for better rankings and user experience. The results. The results of these efforts were remarkable. Organic traffic growth increased by 118% over 6 months. Keyword rankings. Improved rankings for over 500 targeted keywords. Sales growth. Product sales increased tenfold compared to the previous month after implementing these strategies. Customer engagement. Social media engagement skyrocketed, driving more traffic to the website. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic traffic plus 118%. Keyword rankings plus 500 positions. Product sales 10x increase. Social media engagement significant growth. Example. Blog content for SEO. Let's take a detailed example of how The Sold Store leveraged blog content. 1. Topic selection. Identified trending topics like Best Harry Potter gifts for fans or How to style pop culture t-shirts. 2. Keyword targeting. Focused on non-branded keywords such as Quirky Gifts India or Marvel t-shirts online. 3. Content structure. Included engaging headlines, subheadings with keywords, and internal links to product pages. Added FAQs at the end of blogs to target long-tail queries. 4. Call to action, CTA. Encouraged readers to explore related products with CTAs like, check out our exclusive Marvel collection. By creating such optimized blogs, the Sold Store not only attracted organic traffic but also converted readers into customers. Tools and resources. To execute their strategy effectively, the Sold Store likely used several tools. 1. Keyword research. SEMrush for identifying high-value keywords and competitor analysis. Google Keyword Planner for search volume insights. 2. Content management. WordPress for publishing and managing blog content. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. 3. SEO optimization. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags and readability. Screaming Frog for identifying technical issues like broken links. 4. Analytics and reporting. Google Analytics to track traffic and user behavior. Ahrefs for monitoring backlink growth and keyword rankings. 5. Social media tools. Canva for creating visually engaging posts. Hootsuite for scheduling and managing social media campaigns. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from the Sold Store success story. 1. Focus on niche content. Create content that aligns with your audience's passions and interests. 2. Leverage trends. Stay agile by capitalizing on trending topics relevant to your niche. 3. Optimize for non-branded keywords. Expand your reach by targeting generic search terms that attract new audiences. 4. Engage through social media. Build a community around your brand by sharing relatable and engaging content. 5. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers who genuinely connect with your target audience. 6. Invest in technical SEO. Ensure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and free from technical errors. Conclusion. The Sold Store's journey demonstrates how powerful content marketing can be when paired with an effective SEO strategy. By focusing on niche content, leveraging trends, optimizing their website, and engaging their audience through social media, they achieved incredible growth in both traffic and sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these insights. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.